Good morning. Today's topic is Coulomb's law in terms of position vectors. Now, in the previous lecture, we did Coulomb's law in the vector form. Now, we are going to deal the Coulomb's law in terms of position vector. You must have done the position vector in class 11th. Now, suppose Q1 and Q2 are the two charges. Q1 have the position vector R1 vector and Q2 have the position vector R2 vector. Now mark them as the 2 points A and B. Q1 is lying at position A, point A, and Q2 is lying at point B, having the position vector R1 and R2 vector respectively. Now, as they are separated by some distance, now force on Q1 due to Q2 will act along this line, that is force on F12 vector will act along this line. Similarly, force on Q2 due to Q1, force on Q2 due to Q1, that is F21 will act along this line. What is R12 cap and R21 cap? R12 cap is a unit vector, it is a cap, so it is a unit vector direct from Q1 to Q2. So what is R12 cap? It is a unit vector from where to where? From Q1 to Q2. Similarly, what is R21 cap? It is a unit vector from Q2 to Q1. From Q2 to Q1. Now, first we'll find out F21. What is F21? F21 is a force on Q2, on a charge Q2 due to Q1. We know the formula as per the Coulomb's law. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon distance ka square. What is the distance now? Q1 and Q2 are at position A and B. So what is the distance AB? You are going to take the AB vector and its magnitude square, because you are not knowing what is the, this is a vector, AB is a vector, so what is here magnitude comes upon R square is the magnitude. So what you will put? AB vectors magnitude square. Now this is what I told you, this is a vector. How a vector can be represented? A vector can be represented, suppose A is a vector can be represented by its magnitude into its unit vector. Now F21 is a vector quantity, this is its magnitude, multiply by what will come? Unit vector. Now what is the unit vector for this? F21 is a force outwards. Which is the vector coming this in the same direction? F21 is here, C. R21 cap, are they in the same direction? R21 cap and F21 vector, yes, they are in the same direction. So what is F21 vector? Magnitude multiplied by its unit vector. Now see the triangle OAB. We know the triangle law, yes. What it says? This vector plus this vector is equal to this vector. That means R1 vector plus this vector. Which vector it is? R12 cap, R12 vector. Now you are going to take the vector. This is the unit vector and this is the vector. R1 vector plus R12 vector is equal to R2 vector. Now what is R12 vector from here? Take R1 this side, R2 vector minus R1 vector. So what you are going to do over here? F21 vector 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2. What is AB vector square? What is AB? Now you are going to do, you are going to find the AB in terms of R vector. Now see, what is AB? AB is having this vector, AB vector. What is that? R12 vector. This now only we did it. Yes or no? R12 vector. So what is AB vector? AB is a vector from Q1 to Q2. So this is R1. Let it be R12. So what is R12? AB vector. Okay. This is the magnitude. Magnitude square will come. Okay. Now this is the unit vector. Put these values. See here. What is R12? Just now only we have calculated from the triangle R12 vector. Magnitude is, this is the